how to use coupons and Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just go to the store and of course find the game that you want to buy. So let's say I want this game. Just click on that particular game. Then I'm just going to go to my account right here on the top right corner. Then click on coupons to check if you have any coupons. And if you have a coupon, you just need to go back and click on buy now on that particular game. So there's no way to add that coupon by yourself since it will automatically, or the launcher will automatically add the coupon to any game that's eligible. So let's say the minimum required of that coupon is $15. So if you buy a game that is worth $15 or more, that coupon will automatically activate and add the discount right here at the total price. So if you see your coupon not showing up, it means that the game that you currently have doesn't meet the required or the minimum requirement for the coupon to activate on that particular game. That's why if you want to check the coupon details, you just need to go back and what I did earlier here at the top right of your profile and click on coupons and check the coupon that you have, if what is the minimum requirement or the minimum spend of that particular coupon to activate. And that's how I basically use coupons and Epic Games.